Hey there, level up your tool collection with these must-have tools. Explore a curated collection of amazing tools that will revolutionize the way you work. From the latest technology to innovative manual work solutions, discover gear you didn't know you needed. Boost efficiency, unleash creativity, and stay ahead of the curve with these essential tools. Get ready for an exciting showcase of the latest and greatest gadgets. The LoggerHead Tools. Bionic wrench is a revolutionary tool that redefines the concept of an adjustable wrench. With its innovative design, this wrench eliminates the need for traditional wrench sets by adapting to different sizes of nuts and bolts with ease. The Bionic wrench features 6 solid steel jaws that grip the flat sides of the fastener, providing a secure, strong grip without roughing up or damaging edges. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, and the non-slip handle enhances control and reduces hand fatigue. The wrench's durability is enhanced by its all-steel construction, making it a reliable and long-lasting tool for various applications. Priced at $27 and $32, or as a set for $59. Known for their commitment to safety and innovation, Wibe Ladders features such as precise design, sturdy rungs, anti-slip feet, and are easy to move thanks to built-in wheels. This ensures a safe working platform. Made of high-quality, lightweight aluminum, these ladders are sturdy and easy to use. It comes with a 530x650mm platform and can be adjusted to 4 height levels using just one hand, making it ideal for both professionals and manual work enthusiasts. Its price is $1,900. Zünder from Delko Tools, a revolutionary drywall taping tool that has revolutionized the construction industry. Putty is used to seal these joints and is later supplemented with reinforced tape. It is a stylish and innovative solution designed to simplify the drywall taping process. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, offering easy handling with either hand with a weight of 2.9 pounds, capacity of 5.5 pounds of compound, and 500 feet of tape from flat joints to inside corners. The price of the tool is $370. Introducing the Zonzini Buddy Lift Plasmoid, a revolutionary tool designed to redefine the way you approach lifts. This small but powerful plasmoid has exceptional maneuverability, making it ideal for navigating tight spaces with ease. Its impressive lifting capacity ensures impressive loading capacities of 150 and 200 kilograms with a width of 58 centimeters, proving that it is not only small, but powerful as well. The climbing speed ranges from 35 to 47 steps per minute, and the battery has enough capacity for 400 steps. At the heart of the Buddy Lift Plasmoid is innovative Plasmoid technology, ensuring precise and smooth lifting experiences. Safety is paramount to ensure a safe working environment, but at about $6,000, it requires a significant investment. The tough-built scraper knife is a versatile and durable cutting tool designed to meet different cutting needs. With its sturdy construction, this utility knife ensures durability and longevity. The 5 included blades are made of high-quality materials, providing sharpness and precision for efficient cutting tasks. The knife features a scraping function, adding versatility to scraping tasks. The ergonomic handle design enhances comfort and control during use, reducing hand fatigue. The quick change mechanism allows the blade to be easily replaced, which increases work efficiency. Whether you're a professional tradesman or a DIY enthusiast, the tough-built scraper knife is a reliable and practical addition to your toolkit. You can buy it for $24. Introducing MetMo Grip Key, a cutting-edge solution that redefines the way we interact with our keys. This key is versatile. It weighs approximately 10.6 ounces and measures 7.1 x 2.4 x 0.5 inches, suitable for fasteners with a diameter of 0.02 to 0.9 inches. In addition to their basic function, their versatility extends beyond traditional switches. Can be used as a knife, hammer, and bottle opener. Not only is it effective, it also adds an element of fun to your tasks. It's a cutting-edge solution that redefines the way we interact with our keys. Available online for about $23. PAMFast is a cutting-edge solution designed to simplify and enhance the efficiency of installation applications. This innovative system features a high-performance automatic feed mechanism that eliminates the need for manual handling of fasteners, dramatically speeding up the installation process. The standard bar contains 50 screws, each with a length of 6.3 centimeters. The system is compatible with a wide range of FastenMaster screws, providing versatility across different applications. This product comes at a price of $626. Introducing the Edilgrappa Combax, a universal multi-use tool that originated in Italy and is an indispensable asset for professionals in various fields. Designed to meet the demands of construction workers, rescuers, and firefighters, this tool includes a wide range of functions. It enables users to effortlessly open water taps, quickly operate car doors, smash glass, and cut seat belts when needed. Its ergonomic design and intuitive features make it a must-have for those who need a powerful, multifunctional tool. The Malco SGA adjustable gauge is a versatile tool designed for precision and efficiency in siding installation. Designed with durability in mind, this gauge ensures precise alignment of the side panels, making it easy to achieve a smooth, professional finish. Its adjustable design accommodates various siding materials and thicknesses, providing adaptability to diverse projects. The tool features easy-to-read markings, allowing users to make quick adjustments with confidence. The SGA's sturdy construction ensures longevity and reliability. All this comes at a price of $75. It's time to end a common struggle for both amateurs and professionals alike. Cut to plank or pipe, but there's no stand you find yourself improvising with makeshift solutions. The EXCISION Portable Roller PR50 is a cutting-edge device designed for precision and comfort in various applications. This compact and versatile cylinder features advanced technology, allowing users to easily make precise cuts in a wide range of materials. The PR50's ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, reducing user fatigue during extended operations. Its portability makes it an ideal tool for projects on the go, providing a high level of flexibility in diverse work environments. Priced at $70. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next ride.